Scrolling banners on our LinkedIn profiles look set to stay. They've been with us for some months from the beginning of 2025 and are now available worldwide to pretty much everybody with a premium account. This is good news. Or is it? We can have up to 5 banners on our LinkedIn profiles as a premium member. Free people can have just 1. But do we need to be using these scrolling banners? And is it even a really good idea? Well, you can see from my profile here that I've got the full complement of 5 LinkedIn banners. They scroll every 3 seconds continuously. Now, when we first got these, I was really excited and thought they were an absolutely great idea. Harder to do in practice than it sounds because you need to make sure that they look good both on desktop and mobile. But over time, I've changed my opinion because as you can see, they are relentless. They just keep on going and going. And you may not want that on your profile because it can be distracting. There's no question. Sure, it's eye-catching, but is it really doing you the best job that it could? Well, that's a very good question. And I think that one of the answers to this is simplicity. If your banner just has one phrase on it or one powerful image, then that is probably enough. If you've got more, like I've got here, I think it can be too busy. It's very hard for people to see everything in just such a short time. So here's my suggestion, that if you're going to be using these scrolling banners, that you don't use all 5. Cut it down to maybe 3 of them. And then you can just have people seeing those much more simply. I think that this is a great way to use the scrolling banners in a better way than having all 5. But ultimately, it depends on what you like. So test it out. Upload 5 banners. See whether you like them. See whether you get a good response to them. And if you don't, then try a different approach, because that's what I'm going to do.